Hello everyone. Myself SoumyadeepNandi. I am the science faculty at Rebuild Zone, and in this video, I want to discuss with you in great details about all the courses that I teach at Rebuild Zone. From class 6 to class 8, I will deal with a full science syllabus, that is physics, chemistry as well as biology. For class 9 and 10, I will deal with physics and chemistry. Being myself an ex-pointer, having mentored more than 50 plus students from eminent schools like South Point, DPS, BT Memorial, I know the best pattern how to teach, because you believe me that science is nothing but killer visualization. You cannot get all the concepts of science just by mugging up formulas or solving 3-4 problems, but you have to learn the theory properly, you have to learn the concepts properly, and in our classes we will focus on that. After learning the theory and the concepts properly, we will solve a lot of numericals from different books and from different papers as well, from the different last 10 years past papers. After solving a lot of questions, after learning the theory of each chapter, we will have weekly evaluation tests and weekly events where students, we will give a test of 25 marks every week to check the how the students has prepared for the previous chapter. We will complete our whole syllabus at a span of 7 to 8 months. After completing our syllabus, we will have 5 to 6 full-fledged examinations. We will cover the full NCERT, that is CBSE syllabus. After completing the CBSE syllabus, we will focus on competitive level examinations like NTSC and Olympiad. So hope to see you at Rebuild Zone. We will have enjoy the full year and learn the beautiful concepts of science, learn about gravitation, learn about sound, learn about electricity, and I will make science the most easy subject to you. I will explain science in such a way that you students will fall in love for the subject eventually. You will love the subjects, and when you love a particular subject, you don't have to follow after the marks will follow for you. So thank you from SoumyadeepNandi, thank you from Rebuild Zone.